Hello friends, in this lecture we discuss preparation of ketone. We are talking about aromatic ketone by Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is very simple process and also we discuss in 11th standard. See, in 12th standard FC acylation also given, so we will discuss Friedel-Crafts acylation again. Friedel-Crafts acylation. See, our starting material is benzene. Our reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So we are using CH3COCl for reagent. Name of this reagent is acetyl chloride. This hydrogen will replace COCH3 plus is our electrophile. In this reaction, anhydrous aluminum chloride is used as a catalyst. Cl minus H plus. Byproduct is HCl. So benzene ring containing COCH3. Name of this compound is acetophenone. This is our reaction. Instead of using acetyl chloride, we can also use acetic anhydride. As per example, from benzene we are doing reaction here. CH3 C double bond OCOCl3. Name of this compound is acetic anhydride. COCH3 plus is our electrophile. H plus and CH3 C double O minus. So acetic acid should be byproduct. Catalyst should be same. COCH3 group will attach here. So final product will be as such as we discussed in above case, acetophenone. So this is very simple process. In 11th standard and 12th standard, both textbook containing one preparation of ketone with the help of FC acylation reaction. Thank you.